Yes.
Green something sometimes is not happen. This one is
Will happen.
will absolutely, but we just never know when and where. So you want to check up there?
Ah.
Okay. You also not visit the when the Saint Francis Joseph friend match.
No. Let's go. This is our first time here, Father. We never know there's a Yim Chin Island. Yeah. Ooh. We just salt from the salt. It's just where they bring us first. We just follow, and then if we didn't go other way, we won't go meet you. Okay. Oh, let's see. You have bottled water? Let's collect from the spring. Hong Kong is very beautiful, Father, right? You can go anywhere. Accessible. You stay in the city, there's lots of shopping mall.
Lots of confusion.
Yes.
The
The way. Oh no. Hello. You see, if you don't bring us here, Father, we won't know. Yes. Oh, nice.
Akala ko naman kasi sa resort lang tayo pupunta. Kung alam ko lang, ibibili ba ako na. Ang pala nito, ang lawa.
Oh, hindi, malit lang tong island, kaya lang. Oh, wow.
This is the life, you know, the way the life.
Oh.
Without water, with no life.
This is
Without water. So the first spring water.
from here.
Yeah, before government provided with the.
Oh.
You know, in
Yes.
America, before we have it, I think
We have this, yes. In Philippines, of course, we have like that.
No, no more, Father. Oh, it's
Still have.
water is there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They
look,
keep it. The life.
the life. The life of the island.
Yeah, without water.
But it looks like salt now, Father.
I don't know.
The color.
Yeah, the color sometimes because of from the earth, you know.
Yeah. So this is where they get their
And then
life
No way.
and the sun.
today no sun. Okay, as long as still have water. But if too much water without sun, it's die also.
Yes.
Yes, it's not balanced, Father.
It should be balanced.
Okay, spring of living.
Father, do you eat like this in your country? You know, the one that can eat, can be eat, yes? Pako, how you called it? Pako. Pako, fern. No, this is wild. There's other one of this.
The different kind.
This is wild, the different one. Pako also to your place? Pako to our. As we're brothers, really. We're really brothers, you see? We almost have the same words. Pako, pako.
No, I said, you call myself?
Ako.
We call ourselves aku.
Oh, ako rin. Ako. Same.
In pronunciation.
Oh. You see?
The same. Just only
We have same payung, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
you.
Maybe our ancestors are brothers. Because you know, mostly sometimes we think, are you Filipina? No, sister, we are Indonesian. Wow, nice, nice. Later, pag may ano na.
Wow, this is a shortcut, Father. You're a shortcut. Way. Nice. That's good. That's maganda.
Yay, we're back in the civilization. Oh, there's uy. This I think ano. You see, this is where they came first, for the other groups. They came to this way earlier. You see? Ay! Oh my gosh!
Sorry.
It's exactly 3:45. Yes, we're on time.
It's only 2:45.
Ay, 2:45 lang ba? Oh my God. Oh, see, we still have 1 hour. Okay, where Father? What is this for, Father? It's a church before. Huh? Oh. Oh, wow. Oh.
So, yeah, Saint Joseph prayed the mat. On the way he's go to China, because his mission in China, you know. He stayed here for a few days. And this place is the room, stay here.
Oh,
That's why
wow.
they keep here.
He
And at the
statue.
time stay at mass in the
Oh.
cross is there, altar is here. So
Oh, wow.
this is his place. That's why they keep it here.
They keep, huh? Oh, there's a book. Look.
Why they don't put
Yeah. Look. The only language understood by people everywhere is the language of love. Wow. Father, you hear that?
Yes.
The language of love.
Understood everywhere.
Yes. Oh.
So this is a church before?
No, it's not. It's a house where he stayed.
He stay for a few nights.
Where he stayed here.
Need to have food in the mainland China.
He's from Italy. He's from Italy. You say Austria, now Italy.
Oh yeah, from
Yes.
this.
Austria before, now Italy.
Albadia was called.
Yeah. South Tyrol, Austria. It's now Italy. Freynandemetz.
Sayan.
Yes.
Anong lahi?
Austria. Italiano. Italiano.
Italian.
Yeah.
Look. You didn't see this? Oh, there's the altar here.
Yeah.
Yes, here.
Altar and then this in the cross. This room.
You know, Father, you know this plant is a medicine for, you know, when you have something come out, it's a,
Something come out.
I don't know how to say it. Pigsa, how do you say pigsa?
Oh.
Boil.
Boil.
Yeah, but you squeeze this and put in the boil. The something come out. What is the something come out?
But he has a family here during no, he's
So just transit here. So maybe at the time for maybe some Catholic here.
Okay, let's go. Ruins of his place where he stayed. We do look, wall of sanctification. Okay. They have party here, oh? Oh? Okay.
Let's go, Father. We get holiday. A while.
Oh.
Oh my, can I slide?
You go walk on the side.
Ah.
On the side. Oh no. My shoes. Oh no.
Madulas?
Huwag mo hawakan natin.
Doon sa gilid ka tatap. Sa gilid.
No.
Hindi na madulas ito.
Ha?
Hindi na madulas.
Dala sa sapatos ko.